It's
Learn a clock.
Welcome to Digital Dictionary.
Transportation. Truck. Trucks are big and strong. They have big wheels and can carry heavy things. Some trucks carry dirt, some carry people, and some even put out fires. Scooter. Scooters are fun to ride. They have wheels and a handle, and you push with your feet to zoom around. You can do tricks and go fast, but always wear a helmet to stay safe. School bus. A school bus is a big yellow bus that takes kids to school. It has lots of seats and big windows. It's fun to ride with your friends. Helicopter. A helicopter is a special kind of airplane. It has big blades that spin around and around, lifting it up into the sky. Helicopters can fly up, down, and sideways. They're often used to help people like firefighters or doctors. Bicycle. A bicycle is a fun way to get around. It has two wheels and you sit on a seat and pedal to make it go. You can ride it to the park, to a friend's house, or just around the block. Ambulance. An ambulance is a special car that helps sick people. It has a red light on top that flashes and a loud siren. Inside there are special beds to carry people to the hospital. Police car. A police car is a special car that helps keep people safe. It has a blue light on top that flashes and a loud siren. Police officers drive them to catch bad guys and help people in trouble. Bus. A bus is a big vehicle that carries lots of people. It has big wheels and many seats. It's great for taking trips and going on adventures. Train. Trains are big and long. They have many cars and loud whistles. They chug along the tracks, carrying people and things to faraway places. It's fun to watch them go. Motorcycle. A motorcycle is a vehicle with two wheels. It's fun to ride, but you need to be careful and wear a helmet. It's a cool way to zoom around. Van. A van is a big car that can carry many people. It's great for family trips or going on adventures with friends. It's like a little house on wheels. Airplane. Airplanes are big flying machines. They have wings and big engines that help them fly high up in the sky. You can take a plane to visit faraway places like Disneyland or the beach. Ship. A ship is a big boat that sails on the water. It can be big or small, fast or slow. Some ships carry people while others carry goods. They're great for exploring oceans and visiting new places. Thank you for watching our video about transportation. We hope you had fun learning about all the different ways we can travel. Remember, always be safe when riding in cars, buses, or other vehicles. Keep exploring the world around you.